Be strong in pandas, it will be helpful. Yeah. Okay. I feel like I wanted to give a small recap. I would like to start from errors. Errors actually. So these are all even functions. You no need to write your own code. To implement that common scenario, we would have a certain predefined functions. Chapman sir, certain. What do you mean by that? There is a list. I need to find out minimum value, min function. There is a list. I need to find maximum value, maximum function. I need to sum function. These are all common requirement. Once you join in any project, 90% there is a common requirement. Just a 10% here and there, you need to write our own code actually. During project, I will tell you what kind of code we need to write. These are all certain predefined function. Can you tell me print, type, range, input, int? Am I right? Randomly, let me take input. Input is a predefined function. Every function having its own role and responsibility. Every function having their own role actually. Input is a predefined function. By using that, we can take value at runtime. We can take value at runtime. We can take value dynamically. These are all things we can say. Yeah. The next respective functions: float, length, dir, directory. Next one, id, sum. Why I am dividing 1 to 5, 6 to 10, like a 5, 5, 5, I like number 5, frankly speaking. It's like a easiness. I wanted to start from 3. Generally, anything I would like to start from 3 points. Per day, I would like to learn 3 good points actually daily. Once I wake up early in the morning, I used to read Bible. 3 points I used to memorize actually. I wanted to start from 3, but if I start from 3, it will become burden for you. That's what I have chosen. 1 to 5, 6 to 10, like this. The next one, 11 to 15, Sachin. Come on, map, filter, enumerate, min, max. One more time, min, max actually. The next one is instance function. What function? Is instance function. Next one is what exactly, sir? GIF function. Can I hear from you? Error names? Yeah. Syntax error, name error, key error, value error, type error, index error, indentation error. And this is called as adding a column, deleting a column. Chapter sir? Adding a column, deleting a column. We can do it actually. Requirement. Requirement number 2. Daniel, can I delete this row? Can I delete this row? You can delete actual. Can I add one row? You can add actual. You can add actual. This is completely adding a column, dropping. Adding a column, deleting a column. Next one, adding a row, deleting a row. Adding row is a very rare requirement. In real time, we are not working actually. But adding a column is very, very important. You see, respectively, these are all. Respectively. Okay. Everybody get ready. Very, very interesting, sir. Get ready to listen. First, then, I need your help. I need your help actually. Can I? No. Import. Pandas as PD. Data frame created. Yeah, nice. Data frame is created actually. Data frame is created. Order ID, customer name, customer ID, respectively. What is the last column name, Anna?
Quantity.
One more time. No, we have a data frame, right? Now, first requirement will be, it's okay. Let us apply small basic operations. You will get exploration. I need to print top 5 rows, sir. How to print? Nice. You should have, I guess, actually. I need to print only top 5 rows. Yeah, Daniel. Head method. What method? Good. I need to print last 5 rows. Tail method. While you're accessing method name should be match. Otherwise, one more time. Nice. ఎందుకు డల్గా ఉన్నారు ఈరోజు? బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేశారా? Are you fine? Please be active. Yeah, this one is the last rows actually. I wanted to know number of rows and columns, sir. Shape, very good. Shape attribute. What attribute, Anna? Shape attribute. Fine. I wanted to know data frame information. Info method. What method? Quite interesting. Very nice. I wanted to check data frame having missing values or not. How to check? Sir, hold on. Is and a dot sum. So the first point, once I have given the data set, what you need to apply first actually. These are all basic operations. Head method, tail method, shape attribute. I wanted to print only column names, info method. These are all you need to work actually. Then indirectly, best example, once you got a new mobile, you will explore, right? You will explore the options. Here also, what kind of data would you have? We need to explore. Then you will get an idea. Please apply all below operations, right? Let me just have to take this one. I mean to say, loading the data set. Loading what, Sachi? Loading sales chaptara 8.csv file. While loading the file name should be matched. Otherwise, please apply. This is a kind note actually. Please apply below operations. What are all operations, sir? Head method you need to apply. df.tail you need to apply. df.info you need to apply. These are all good practice. The next one, df.shape you need to apply. df.columns. That's it. These are all very common actually. Okay. Can somebody help me? df.is and a. Chapana sir. Sum. Like that you need to apply. You understand, I guess. Okay. These are all very common operations, man. Daniel, why I need to apply? You will come to know many things. First 5 rows, sample data you can see. Tail method also you can see. Info method also you can see. Missing values do we have or not, you can see actually, right? We are good to go. Shape attribute. I have a question. You are calling something by using object name, no parenthesis, attribute. You are calling something by using object name, no parenthesis, attribute. You are calling something by using object name, having parenthesis, method. The statement what I am delivering, such a beautiful statement actually. You are calling something. Something means I am not revealing. Either it is a method or attribute. You should recognize. You are calling something by using object name, parenthesis, method. What exactly mean? Method actually. Method. Okay? Yeah. Now first requirement. Requirement number one actually. Daniel, can we add a column to the existing data frame? Existing what, Saji? Data frame. So the answer will be yes, we can do. Yes, we can add actually. Yes, we can add. Let me show you. Man, very simple. Very, very simple. Right? Can you tell me what is the requirement? Can we add a column to what exactly mean? Existing data frame. Up to you. If you want how many columns you can add actually. Any columns add cheyచ్చు. There is one new syntax I'm introducing actually. I need your attention. Now I wanted to add a column. First of all, open the data frame. Yeah, Daniel, data frame is open. Data frame is created actually. Data frame is created. Go, LH is equals to RH. Left hand side you need to give like this actually. df of, like here you can provide city. Okay. Right hand side provide the value. Right hand side what's such? Provide the value. What is the value? HYD. HYD actually. Indirectly what you are doing, you are left hand side. This statement is important. Throughout the course I will tell this statement actually. Like how I used to tell keyword argument. Function having return statement you need to assign it to the variable. This statement remember actually. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. Adding a column. Left hand side, if you are able to see, yeah, this is the data frame of index actually. Index notation, I hope you already know. Am I right or not, sir? You are adding a column. Chappan sir, you are adding a. For this column, we are telling add all Hyderabad values. Add all what exactly, man? Yeah, see, make a note on this one. Okay, sir, what happened? This is before adding a column. Now let me print after adding a column. Let me print after what, Saji? Adding a column. Are you ready? Yeah, let me just try to run this. Super, done. Make a note actually. Previously, there is no column of city. There is no column of. Can I print head actually? Is it okay? Meeku okay na head print cheyamantara? Appudu meeku clarity untadi kada. Cheppandi sir, can I print like this? Yeah, Daniel, you can. Yes, now look at see. Sir, this is before adding a column. This is after added a column. How nice it is, Sachi. Column added. What is added, sir? Column added actually, right? So if you want, Daniel, first to 5 I wanted to add as a Hyderabad. Second 5 I wanted to add as a kind of some Bangalore. You can customize actually. First of all, we will walk through one by one. You will get an idea. Okay. Can I ask you one question? Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, mean column. Adding a column to the data frame. To what exactly mean? Data frame. Oh, Daniel, we got it. Fine, then I don't want to add this city column, Daniel. Just I wanted to add some random, right? You can give anything, sir. Df of kind of some A. What is A? Even I don't know. Just imagine. Can I add like this actually? You can add such a 111. Let me just try to print the data frame. Sir, just I'm repeating again. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, tell me, adding a column. Adding, simple. Adding a column. Whenever you are adding a column always add at last position actually. Did you remember what I'm planning, you know? You can just try to go back and get the data frame. Yeah. And can I capture like this? Get this data frame. If possible, can I capture in my running notes? Running notes lo capture cheyamantara? Visible, right? Kanpistunda, sir? Kanpistunda? Okay. So I can maximize actually. Hold on. See, at last I'm planning to add a column. Column name is a total cost. What exactly? Oh, total price actually. Total price. Sir, here, first of all, let us analyze. Let's see. Let us analyze actually. Let us analyze. Daniel, order ID, customer name, customer ID, product name, product cost, quantity. Oh, come on, hold on. Product name. What is the product name? LG Mobile. What is the cost of such? 65,000. How many LG mobiles you bought actually? One. Then 1 into 65,000 999. 65,999. Here the cost they will specify each product cost boss, not all products actually. At what time they will calculate, you know, during the checkout. Checkout in the sense when you are paying the money, they will calculate actually. Am I right or no? Good. Now, Apple iPad. What is the cost actually? 60? How many? Do you think two products cost is 63,000? No. Then can you tell me 2 into 63,000? How much actually? 1 lakh? You guys are very good in money counting, I guess. I understand it. Right? So that's what I'm planning to add a column. Can I show you practically? If you want, you go. So the point, whenever they are displaying like this actually, they will display each product cost, but not all products actually. Then during the paying money, when you are paying through your credit card or debit card actually, they will calculate. This is the total sum. Let's open my Amazon. My Amazon account is using almost 5 members in my family actually. So I don't know what all items it is added actually. Let me see. I will show you one small scenario. Direction. I wanted to display one small point. Hey man, why this? Not required. Sign in. Yeah, sign in. Can I go for this ebook reader? Yeah, let's go for this, Sajay. Let's go for this. How much actually, sir? Let me add this one. I'm just trying to adding this actually. Good, sir. Now you can just come here. This is my cart actually, Amazon cart. Here you can find out lot of books actually. So make a note. Simple, answer my question. Can you tell me what is item? Total, what is the quantity? 1. What is the price tag? 16,000. Let us take 17,000. Let us take. Now I am increasing, but don't think like here it will be increased actually. No. I'm increasing actually. Quantity increased. Sir, same tag actually. Exactly. Look at the data set. Same story here. I'm explaining actually. Though it is a 63,000, don't understand don't misunderstand like 2 products 63. No. During paying money, during what exactly mean? Paying money, I'm going to be add actual. Did you understand or not, sir? Are you with me? Let's do it actually. Oh my god, 15 products, 14 products added. I don't know who all added. Okay, good. Now the points. Total cost. Total what exactly? Cost or else price. Total cost or price actually. Now, sir, can you tell me what is the calculation? What is the calculation? 65,000. 65,000 chapter into what exactly? 1. Okay. Okay, 1. Then this one is the total price. 65,000. Chapter sir? 999. The next one. 63,000 into 2. 63,000 into what exactly mean? 2 actual. Can you tell me? 1 lakh. Come again? 20. Thank you. 1,26,000. Now you guys need to understand. Okay, product cost into, very nice. Product cost. What do you mean by product cost? DF of this. What exactly? DF of product cost into chapter sir. DF of chapane. Yeah, that's what we need to understand. Okay, Daniel, we got it very clearly. Am I right or no? Man, calculation is very easy. You are working with the data frame, make note actually. Daniel, are you sure? Sir, I am sure. If you want, let us do calculate these all actually. It calculate chedan chudandi. Let's capture this. So A equals to, I done actually. Print off. For your better understanding, you can print A. Anna, what happened, first column, second column, series and series multiply with actually, you will get result as a series. You will get the result as what, Sarji? Done. Your task is done. Yeah, first value 65,000. Second value, how much you told? Calculation happened. Calculation. Now, what I want to do is, I need to take this column. I wanted to add to the data frame. I wanted to add to. Can we do it actually? Yes, we can do. Left hand side, you need to apply that syntax actually. Ante kada sir? Come on. Let's take this one. Very nice, man. Very nice. Yeah. 1 minute. This syntax we are applied actually. How nice it is, Sarji. Sir, is it number? Yes. Is it number? Yes. Apply multiplication. All arithmetic operations you can apply. If it is both are numbers actually, apply arithmetic operations. Right. Now adding a column. Now what exactly mean? Adding a column. Let me add a column. Adding a what exactly, sir? Column. Column add cheddama? Yeah, Daniel, you can add actually. Then what we need to do, sir? Left hand side. DF of, can somebody help me? Total cost. Total what exactly mean? Cost. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Let me ask a question. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, means adding a column. Let me repeat again. This is the 5th time I am repeating. Daniel, why? Important. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. And column is adding, right? What about values? Right side operation is filling actual. Right side operation. Previously we hard coded as a Hyderabad. All values Hyderabad came actually. But I need a business logic. I need what subject? Yeah, good. That's what we did. Now you can just do. Before adding a column, let me print data frame. After adding a column, let me print what, Sarji? Data frame. Very nice, Sarji. Very nice. Now let us run this code. You will get an idea. Perfect. Wow, Daniel. Before adding a column, no column here actually. Sir, column added. What is a column? Such a beautiful, man. How nice it is actually. We added column to the data frame. Such a beautiful actually. Am I done manual calculation? No. Sometimes 55,993. I don't know. But you can apply star symbol. What symbol, sir? That's a beauty. You don't need to calculate manually. Right? Adding a column. What is the column name, Anna? This is the column we are adding. Post. Let me talk with online team. Online team, how many of you sleeping actually? Bhavya. Next one, Mukhtar Sarji. Ranjan Garu. Very nice. Let me cover 2 cases actually. While adding a column, if column name is new, then new column will be added to data frame. Existing data frame. Antena, sir? Repeating again. Yeah. Daniel, you are adding a column. What is the column name? Total cost. What do you mean by new column, So if column, read the content actually. While adding a column, I am planning to adding a column. If column name is new, what, Saji? New. What do you mean by that? Order ID, it is not matching. Customer name, not matching. Customer ID, not matching. Product name, not matching. Product cost, not matching. Quantity, not matching. then only new column will be added actually. Sir, this is the new name. This is what exactly? Are you clear? First of all, you understand the second scenario. What is the second scenario? While you are adding, if column name is matching with the any column, then what happened? Important interview question. Are you clear? Let me tell that point actually. Right now, right? So that's what you need to be understand. Case number 2. Case number 2. Case number 2. Case number 2. What is the case number 2? You know, sir. First of all, are you clear? First case actually. Make arthainda. Let me add the second case. Sir, while adding a column, if column name is already existing, already what sir? Existing in DF data frame, then what happen? You know, sir, old values will be replaced with new value. Same story I covered somewhere. Ekkada cover chesano cheptara? Same thing I have covered. Where? Come again? Come again? Columns. Okay, we'll try. Very good. Come again? Replacement. No. It's okay. I'm revealing. Guys, no, in Python, madam. In Python. Where we covered this point in Python. I'm talking about the Python, not talking in Pandas actually. Very good. One answer I got it actually. So let me highlight this one. One answer, one right answer. First who answered actually? Snehagar. Exactly, sir. So please, such a nice answer. Dictionary. What exactly, man? Sir, Python lo మీరు ఎలా ఉండాలో తెలుసా? You have to pin to pin. మన Python document ని నవలేసి ఊసేయాలి అంతే యాక్చువల్. అలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి మీరు. You have to prepare end to end point. I am requesting actually. You have to chew. అంటే బబుల్ గమ్ ని ఎలా వదులుతాం మనం? Frankly speaking, ప్రతి పాయింట్ కూడా every point you need to remember like that. See, I'm sure this kind of case 1 and case 2 I covered in a dictionary. I covered in what subject? When I'm explaining itself, you have to feel this point somewhere I have said dictionary. Same story here also it is happening, right? Good. I really appreciate. Nice answer, boss. Good, boss. Good, boss actually. But I'm sorry, no chocolates. Okay, let's move on. Let me show you practically. You'll get an idea. Online team, just so more than 100 members, but I got only one right answer. What about other guys' preparation actually? Okay, good. So anyway, let's move on. Go back. Let me just try to take one small value. What is the value? Which column we can add actually? Let us just try to add customer ID. Customer ID. Everybody look at my screen. Everybody look at my screen actually. Sir, what happened here? First of all, hold on. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. Good, hold on. Adding a column, new point. If it is a new column will be add at last. If it is a new column will be add at last. Sir, if it is a column already existing, what happened? What is the old value? What is the old value? 3. 3 will be replaced with 1. 19 will be replaced with 2. Like that actually. Hey. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. 3 will be replaced with 65,000. 19 will be replaced with like this actually. Let me just try to run this code. You will get an idea. Chudane. Everybody look at my screen. Yeah, Daniel. This one is a old value. 3, 19, 12. Man, new values came actually. New values came. I believe you understand. Are you with me or not, sir? So the point is, while you are adding a column, if column name is the new column will be added last. If column name is already existing in data frame, then old values, this column, old values, this column, old values will be replaced with new values. Will be replaced with what? Did you understand? Let's take this example. Easy, very easy. Practice really matters. It's the right time I'm giving conclusion. Column is adding. Already existing. Already what exactly mean? Existing. Let me give a conclusion. It's the right time I need to give a conclusion. What is the conclusion, DF of while adding column, if column is new, then only, then new column, then చెప్తారా new column will be add at last in data frame. Will be add at what exactly mean? Last. Am I right? Right. Next one. While adding column, while adding a column, otherwise if you want you can just have to take such a df of x. While adding a column, if column is new, if x is new, column name new, then only a new column will be added. What exactly? Last. While adding a column, చెప్తారా if column name is old, if column name is already existing, then చెప్పండి సార్ old values will be replaced with thank you, otherwise will be overridden also, we can say. That's what, sir. I'm sure we done the discussion actually. Online team, I'm sure you are clear. But let me ask one small question. Left hand side, if you are able to do this, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, means adding a column. Like this, I will ask throughout the course. Why? Because we are using, in machine learning, we are using this point very well. Machine learning lo mana vadutunnam, sir. Are you ready? Good. One more point. Adding a column is common scenario in real time. Hey, I wanted to add a new column. Yes, you can add actually. You can add. This is the common scenario. Very common scenario.
అదే ఇచ్చారు.
Very common scenario. Jesus. Cool. We done almost these are all scenario. Can I move on? Till now I have covered scenario adding a column. But Daniel, can I insert a column in between? Like go for listed data structure, add method, append method will add value, but insert method will insert in between. Can I do the same thing? We can do. Here also method name is the same. Method name is insert method. For add a column, no method. For insert a column, there is a method. Sir, are you clear? Good. Let's move on. Should be sanctuary. Yeah. So maybe it's a right time I need to walk through the door. Based on requirement, we can add a column to the existing data frame. Import pandas as a PD. df equals to pd.read_csv. So and so file we are adding. You are loading and we are just trying to checking top 5 rows actually. Can somebody tell what is the head? Method. Very nice. What is the read_csv? Do you think function and method both are same? No, both are not same. Important, sir. Important actually. Move on. Next. Yeah. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, nice, thank you. Right. What is the column name? Status. Very nice. Here within the double quotes, whatever you are giving, it will be add actually. Condition. If column name is new column will be add. If column name is already existing, what happens, sir? That's it. You should know. See, adding a column you should know. Two scenarios also you should know. New column it will be add. Old column replace the value. Can I continue? What is the values, man? Can you tell me? Delivered actually. Based on condition also you can say. Yeah, exactly. I'm planning to add a column. Actually. Do you have any method? No method. Just a syntax matter. Chapman sir? Syntax. Please focus on syntax. This is the way. Alternative way, we can use by using apply method also. This we can see later, sir. I know at what time I need to cover which example. This you can skip. This example you can skip as of now. We'll talk about this one later. By using apply method also we can add. Daniel, when we cover? During project I can cover. But in real time, this syntax we are using more actually. Okay? Apply method కూడా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. నేను చెప్తాను ఇది ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేయాలని నేను చెప్తాను. Next one, insert method. What method? Insert method. Insert method takes 3 parameters. First parameter, you need to tell the position. Tell me the column position where I need to add actually. Next one, tell me the column name. Tell me the operation. Tell me what's the operation. Let me tell you. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. Come on, everybody. Let us just try to. Will anybody deliver seminar? ఈరోజు అందుకని ఎక్కువ మంది రాలేదు. Why today many people are absent? Any festival? No weekend also Thursday. ఏమన్నా ఉమెన్స్ క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ ఉందా? లేదు కదా. గుడ్. ఇంపోర్ట్ చెప్పండి సార్. Panda says PD. DF equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. It's okay. Sales చెప్పండి సార్. 8 dot. Yeah, we have loaded the data set, Daniel. Now we got a data frame. We got word search data frame. Perfect. We have a data frame. Sir, by default column is adding at last. By default column is adding a, but I don't want to add a column at last. I wanted to add in between. We'll do one thing. I would like to add, so this is the 0th position. This is first position. This is second position. I'm planning to add at second position. I'm planning to add at what position, man? Let's do one thing. Then what we need to do, df dot, you need to call a method. Method name is insert. What is the method name? Insert method takes 3 parameter. Okay. Insert method takes 3 parameter. First parameter position. Tell me the column position. Second parameter name of the column. Column name. Name of the column. Third parameter tell the operation. What operation I wanted to apply. Oh, Daniel, position 0, 1, 2. Second position I wanted to add. Then here you can add like a 2. You can add like what, Sachi? Nice. Can you tell me what you are adding? Position. Column position. Column name. I wanted to add a column name something like a total cost. Just imagine total cost actually. Operation. You need to get ready with the operation. What operation actually? Operation equals to. Chappan sir. Can we multiply actually? Chappan sir. Yeah. df of. Please be patient. That's it. We're done. Okay. Did you understand? OPE means operation. Now let me just try to print actually. Put print chadam chudandi. Everybody listen carefully. Can I ask you one question? What is insert? Very good. What is insert? You are calling something by using object name having parenthesis method. Having parenthesis method. మీరు అలా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Oh, super sir. Really very good actually. See, 0, 1, 2. Second position. Yeah, exactly. Second position. What came actually? Total cost. Now what happened, in second position previously what is available? Customer ID. This is something like, total cost is telling, hey, this is my position. You take the next position. You take what, Sajid? Yeah, customer ID is taking the next position. Customer ID will talk to the product name. Product name will talk to the all other columns actually. Simple. All columns will stand and takes the next position. Takes what, Saji? That's it. I hope you understand. So the point, do you want to add a column? You can add. Do you want to insert a column? Sir, adding is different, inserting is different. Add means it will add at last. It will add it. But insert means in between. Insert means in between. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? వెరీ నైస్. See, why I'm telling Python is important, same topic, but there we played for list to data structure. Now we are playing with the data frame data structure. That's the difference. So, man, be strong in Python. మీరు Python లో ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే అంత మంచిది. Be strong in Python actually, right? Python మీద ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ చేయండి.
मोड़ दी हम.
Oh, sir, in Odisha today we are having kind of some festival. Okay. A column, next one. B column, next one. C column, next one. Come again. Very nice. Tell me. I'm sure all these values as it is. No doubt in that. Kada? I'm very good in copy paste. I done actually. The next one. Can you tell me the D value? Hello. Next one. Perfect. You understand the topic. Let me check the next question. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడగమంటారా? ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? లెట్ మీ ఆస్క్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద సినారియో నెంబర్ 1. సినారియో నెంబర్ 2. Get ready, sir. Get ready. df of b. Okay. Hi. Can somebody answer actually? ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారా? Just answer one by one. A, B, C. Do you think B actually? No. Please, can I tell you the reason? Why at last, why it is not again UB, Sarji? Column name should be unique. Column name should be exactly. Yesterday, have you seen merging and joining actually? ID column name. Both are same. I wanted to display underscore X and underscore Y actually. Why? Column name should be unique. అర్థమైందా సార్? దట్స్ ద రీజన్. చెప్పండి, రిజల్ట్ చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. A1, ఫస్ట్ వన్ A1, A2. వెరీ గుడ్ సార్. A1, A2. You are filling with column wise actually. This is good practice. A1, A2. Second one. Oh, very good. Can you tell me? Hi. Very good. C value. C1. Very nice, man. I feel happy you understand. Can I ask a question? Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax means. Very nice actually. Thank you. We done the game actually. Move to the next. Now it's a item dropping a column. Till now we have seen adding a column, inserting a column. Now Daniel, can I delete a column? You can delete, sir. Hey, guys, one small point I'm telling. With pandas, anything we can do, no limitation. Anything we can do, no limitation. I don't like one column. Can I drop it? Actually, you can drop it. 2 columns, you can drop it. Total data frame, you can delete it actually, if you want. Let me show you. Based on requirement, you can drop or delete or remove. Anything you can say. One more time. Drop, delete, remove. One more time. Drop, delete, remove. You can do it actually. To remove a column, to drop a column, you are calling something by using object name having parenthesis method. Did you remember drop method? Did you remember drop NA? Drop NA means removing missing value. Drop means removing columns. Removing what, Sachi? Just 2 letters different actual. 2 letters matram different. Okay? Yeah, Daniel, we understand. This is so called as a dropping a column. Dropping a what, Sachi? Column. If I am going speed, you can ask me. Daniel, explain slowly. గట్టిగా అరవద్దు అని చెప్పండి, పర్లేదు. ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ రోరింగ్ లైక్ ఏ డాగ్, యూ టెల్ మీ ప్లీజ్ సార్ హౌ టు యాడ్ డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ టు ద సేమ్ కాలమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ బై యూజింగ్ అప్లై మెథడ్ విల్ సీ సర్చ్. దిర్ ఈస్ ఎ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. స్నేహ గారు, by using apply method actually, upcoming topic, good question. I will see later. Okay, nice. Move on. It's a right time. Let me talk about the dropping column. What is the topic name, sir? Dropping. First of all, get the data frame. So always get the data frame. Yeah, Daniel, data frame is ready. Yeah, nice, man. Data frame is ready. So seems to be, I don't like this column. Can I drop it? Actually, you can drop it. To drop that column, you need to call a method. Method name is a drop. Sir, can somebody tell keyword arg? What it is? Keyword arg. That's it. This name should be matched. This name should be exactly the name. Name should not be changed actually. If you are trying to changing, type error. Description. Make a note. That's a beauty. We'll do one thing. You can just I can make it, this one is a df1, df2 equals to df1 dot drop actually, and here columns equals to either single or list. It's okay. Let me just pass single column. If you want, you can pass multiple columns also, don't worry. Now customer which one you want? Customer ID. It's okay, you can pass this. Sir, let us print df1. Let us print df2. Let us print what, Saji? df2. Can I use head method? Can I use head method? Why? Because both data frames will be visible, right? మనకు రెండు మంచిగా కనిపిస్తుంది. Wow, sir, deleted. Dropped actual. right? Drop method having no mercy. It will just try to delete actual. Just try to delete. What column it is deleting? Customer ID. Yeah, from this data frame, yeah, df1, there is a column name is a customer ID deleted. It is deleting this column and creating a new data frame. Yeah, this one is a second data frame. Here, there is no column for what exactly, man? Customer ID. That's what you need to be understand. If you want, you can add a column. If you want, you can drop a column. Up to us, which one you want actually. Okay? Yeah. Can I ask a question? What is the read underscore CSV? Function. Chappan sir. What is a drop? What is a head? What is a print? Function. You should aware. Why I'm highlighting function, method, function. I will always dance in between these two. This is function. This is yeah, seriously. Important, man. That's what I'm telling. Chala important, sir. Good. Can we list out actually? Take details, technical details actually. Can we list out? All functions. Chappani, any functions on read underscore CSV. Next one, print function. Though this is from pandas, PD. Though this is from Python. Do you think Python actually? Print you can call directly. Next one, methods. Chappani sir, any methods on head method, df dot. First name method on the drop any. It's okay. First one drop any method. Drop method. The next one, df dot head method. I wanted to print 10 rows actually. What I need to do? 10. That's it. You guys know, I guess actually. Yeah, dropping a single column. Daniel, can I drop it 2 columns? Sir, you can drop searching. You can drop. Right? Repeating again. Chalo jartga vinandi. If you want, you can apply this syntax. What syntax actually? Drop equals to columns. You can apply column name actually. Daniel, do you have any alternative syntax? We have alternative syntax. What is it alternative syntax? You can just try to come here. First parameter, you can list out all name of the column. Prepare the list actually, all name of the column. You are telling apply operation on column wise. Access equals to 1. Yesterday I covered actually. Access equals to, what do you mean by that? Apply this operation on column wise. Drop columns. Drop what, Sachi? Are you clear or not, sir? That's what you need to be understand. Hey Daniel, instead of access equals to 1, can I provide columns equals to, yeah, you can access actually. Here columns equals to list also you can provide. Meeku ardhamainda ledha sir, right? Yeah. Dropping multiple columns. Malli explain chestam. Let me explain one more time. Let's get the data frame. Time ఎంత అయిందంటే సార్ 10:30. Few guys are looking at the clock, I know. 10:30. Data frame is ready. Yes, data frame is ready. Hello Daniel, I wanted to drop customer name and I wanted to drop product cost in one shot actually. Yes, you can do it. Then prepare the list actually. COLS equals to list prepare cheyandi. What all you wanted to drop, prepare the list actually. You can take the customer name and even you can take word search product cost actually. Yes sir. Now df equals to df1 dot drop and here provide the list actually. Access equals to 1. Yeah, this is beautiful. Chapan sir, now let me print. Madam, tell me. df2. Yeah, very good. Drop columns, column wise operation. What operation? Column wise. How beautiful it is, Sachi. Wow. Can I use head method? Is it okay? If I use head method, more visible. You can get more visibility actually. Yeah, very nice, man. Very nice. See, customer name deleted. Why? Because here forcefully you are deleting actually. Next one, product cost also deleted. Then what is the remaining? Order ID, customer ID. Next one, product name. Next one, quantity actually. Product cost deleted. Sir, you got it right? Easy, very easy. I have a small question. Can somebody tell? One more time. One more time. Yes. Till now what I explained, dropping a column, dropping a single column, dropping a multiple columns, dropping a single column, dropping what such a multiple columns. Are you clear? Axis equals to alternative, Sachi. Right. So see, I don't like this axis. Previous syntax only I like. Yeah, you can apply. You can apply, sir. See, drop Anil. I wanted to still use keyword argument. You can use it. Do you have any alternative? We have an alternative. You can specify the list actually. Axis equals to. You are clear, I guess. Right? Yeah. Move on. Let me drink water. The moment once I started pandas, I didn't written my own code actually. I didn't written my own code. There is a requirement, I'm calling the method. I wanted to display top 5 rows, head method. I wanted to drop a column, drop method. I wanted to drop missing value, drop NA. Now you need to understand the important point. For every requirement, there is a method. That method you need to catch. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? That method you need to memorize, meditate, recite actual. పదే పదే మీరు చదవాలి. అప్పుడే మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, then you'll stop your over action. Sure, let's move on. Keyword argument. Dropping it's a right time. What are the scenarios we have seen? Adding a column we have seen. Inserting a column we have seen. Dropping a single column we have seen. Dropping a multiple columns we have seen. Now, adding a row is a very rare scenario. We are not using in real time. But what we are using, dropping a row. Dropping a row, adding a row, not using in real time. But I am covering only one scenario. What is that scenario, sir? Dropping a row. So we can drop it actually. We can drop it. Yeah. See, sir. Drop 3. Axis equals to 0 means row wise operation. Indirectly 3 means third index. Go on delete actually. No mercy. Daya dakshinyalu undavanamata. Drop method it will drop. Drop method it will drop. Yeah. Import pandas as pd. df equals to pd.read_csv. If you learn data science nicely, మీరు డేటా సైన్స్ మంచిగా నేర్చుకుంటే మంచి ప్యాకేజ్ వస్తుంది సార్. వెరీ గుడ్ ప్యాకేజ్ విల్ గెట్ యాక్చువల్. కంక్లూజన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టోరీ, now if you are learning, you will get a good money. Yeah, ultimately money, coin matters. Learn how to earn. One more time. Learn. Yeah, you should learn actually. Learn how to earn. Nowadays, especially I am telling, no job, no respect. One more time. Of course, I am not talking about our parents, our mother, father, so they are always, for them we are heroes. They will always think like either you are doing job or not, they will tell, my son is awesome actually, my daughter is awesome. But even we should be more responsible, you should try for good job. Sorry, can I tell you one small point? నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్పమంటారా? I'm sorry, I'm going out of the topic actually. Can I take 1 minute? Yeah, let me take. One day what happened, it was in the year of 2023. I was in Amirpet location. Amirpet, I'm teaching data science. I'm teaching what exactly, sir? Data science and AI. In the year of 2000. Naresh Shetty only. Amirpet at Naresh Shetty. Naresh Shetty at Amirpet. Naresh Shetty. At what exactly, sir? Amirpet. Naresh Shetty having many branches. But first I used to teach in Amirpet location actually. Batch is done. There is one batch is done actually. One batch is done. That day is the last session. That is what exactly? Last session. Almost, so few months the course went actually. Almost students became like emotional. Students became like what, Sajji? Emotional. That day, last day, right? Even that day, I don't know. I feel somewhat little tears actually. Why? Because there are few students They prepare very well. In between the session itself, you guys, they already got a job actually. Everyone is expressing themselves. There is a one madam. There is a one madam actually. One madam. End of the session, almost everybody left out. Everyone left out actually. Left out. Now she's telling, sir, I wanted to talk with you. I wanted to talk with you actually. Talk with you. Then I told, yes, madam, you can just have to talk. Then what she's telling, sir, Daniel, I have a 3.5 years gap. 3.5 years, what exactly? Gap actually. Gap in the sense, I done my graduation. Unfortunately, so I didn't get any job. Almost, I don't know how it left actually. 3 years over. Japan, sir? 3 years over. Now, in between, I learned one more other course. Some cloud or AWS actually. I didn't feel that much, so I wanted to enter into the best IT career. Then one of my relatives suggested, go and learn data science. Then I joined at Naresh IT. Luckily, I joined. Yeah. Japan, sir. Daniel, my batch actually. I'm sorry. So it's the right time course is over. Tomorrow onwards, no session. But Daniel, can you please suggest me what are ways to get a job? What are ways to get what exactly job actually? Then I understand. I told what exactly, madam, first of all, don't worry. You can try in a two ways. First one, you can try as a fresher. Next one, you can try as a add an experience. Add what exactly? Experience. Add experience. To get as a fresher, definitely the strong reference is required. Any either MNC company or small scale company. Why? Because you are having what such gap. If it is a manager level position, or else kind of some company top CEO position, if you're still having a gap, if the reference is very strong actually, they won't care. They will give offer actually. Then I told, do you know any references like a manager, CEO, these are all. But before all these, getting a job, first what matter? Subject matter. I told first to practice actually. The next one I started explaining like this. Daniel, I'm sorry, I have no resources. Then what I told, add experience. Add what exactly, man? Experience, no reference is required. Why add an experience, can you tell me? 3.5 years gap, right? Let me tell you. Imagine, let us take IT. Trust me, 60 out of 100 members, they got a job. They got what exactly meant job by adding an experience. By adding what exactly? Experience. Trust me, for your kind information, I got job like that only. Not now. 2010. Mali cheptunanu chudanడి. When I done my graduation, sir, 2.5 years I don't have a job. 2.5 years now job లేదు actually. You don't know. When you don't have a job actually, actual life మీకు డిఫైన్ అవుతుంది. Empty stomach and empty pockets. Yeah, I came from that situation. నాకు తెలుసు ఆకలి బాధ ఎలా ఉంటుందో, ఎంటీ పాకెట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో. I know very well actually. Then one of my seniors suggested, add an experience. I done actually. First of all, adding experience it's not like a small step, like a courage. Brave is required. You should be more courage actually. Then once I explained all these things, she have chosen adding an experience. She have chosen what exactly, man? Adding experience. But she told one thing. Almost the conversation went 10 minutes actually. What she told, sir, I'm getting fearing. I'm getting what exactly, man? Fearing actually. నాకు భయం వేస్తుంది సార్ అని చెప్పాను. For why? Adding an experience. Then I explained one small story, sir. ఒక చిన్న స్టోరీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. What story explain, my question, madam, did you married? She told, yes, I'm married. How many kids would you have? She told, I have one son. How many years actually? She told 2 years actually. 1 point I told. If you join any other job like a 10,000, monthly, you will get, I'm sorry for saying, with the 10,000 rupees, you may not give best career for your son. But if you add an experience, on an average, you may get a 80,000 salary. How much is salary? Your son is just 2 years. Down the line, after 1 year or 2 years, you have a good amount actually in your hand. You can give the best career. Trust me, she felt tears actually. Sometimes the job you have to connect with emotionally. If you get a job, don't think like you're filling your pockets actually. It is depends upon other careers. Either your brother or your sister or your parents actually. Then what she done, sir? She feel tears. Tearful. Then she told, Daniel, definitely, thank you for motivating. After 4 months, she called actually. She told, I got a job by adding an experience. The point is inspire yourself actually. Man, you should get a job. Trust me, there are plenty of jobs actually. So the point, when you will get a job, you know, sir, మీకు జాబ్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో తెలుసా? ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ బీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ సబ్జెక్ట్. బీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్, ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ సెయింగ్, no subject, no job. Even if you get a job, trust me, within 1 week they will remove actual. Within 1 week they will come to know you are kind of some hadavidi candidate actual. So my first point will be, job always secondary, subject always primary actually. Make a note of this. I'm sorry, I went out of the discussion. Why I went out of the discussion, you know? If anybody is not focused on your career, it's the right time. Why always focus about your friends, other avocations? Focus on your career. Me career మీద మీ focus చేయండి. It's the right time. That all you guys are youngsters actually. Can I continue? Am I done overaction? No, right? Please, sir, it will be helpful. Daniel, how to add an experience? You know, I have a big community. I am mastering that actually. I will give best suggestions. Trust me, I started my career like that only, man. నా కెరీరే నేను అలా స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. దెన్ ఐ నో ఇన్ అండ్ అవుట్స్ యాక్చువల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఏంటి అనేది నాకు తెలుసు మొత్తం అంతా. నో ట్రైనర్ నెవర్ టెల్ లైక్ దిస్, ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఐ గోట్ ఎ జాబ్, బట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ వై, బికాస్ యు నో, లెట్ మీ టాక్ రియాలిటీ. Everybody will tell I got a job as a fresher, I got reference actual. No actually. Please, I told 1 minute, I take in 5 minutes I guess. So conclusion of the story. Daniel, what is the conclusion? Conclusion ఏంటో తెలుసా? Focus on your career. Do more practice. Why? To get a job. To get what, Saji? Job. Sir, once get a job, life is settled. Once get a what exactly job, life is settled actually. Life is what exactly means settled. For everybody, let me tell you, total life 2 ways. You know, if you're asking, can you define the life actually? 2 ways I can define. First one, before job. Chapter sir, first one, before job. Next one, sir, after job life is awesome. I'm sure still you stand here only. మీరు ఎక్కడే ఉన్నారు ఇంకా. Once get a job, ఆ స్టెప్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, man, I cannot explain in words లో చెప్పలేను అసలు. If you get a job, especially IT, I'm talking about IT job. Job means 10,000, 5,000, anybody can get actually. Try for best job. After job, life is colorful, man. Colorful in the sense technical, I mean to say. So closing the discussion, please focus on your career. Practice. Are you doing practice? Practice చేస్తున్నారా? Do it, sir. Per day. Minimum start with 1 hour. At least start with 30 minutes. 30 minutes, so start చేయండి. Please install, please, I'm sorry for saying. Try to uninstall all social media. Try actually. మీరు ఒకసారి uninstall చేయండి. Can I tell you? 1 hour కూడా ఉండలేరు. But try 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. You don't know, you cannot believe, I have a 24 hours in time అన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు. If you uninstall all social media, అంటే Instagram కానీ, especially YouTube, man. I'm sorry for saying this, YouTube is hell kind of application, sir. Because of YouTube only, we'll open YouTube to watch 1 reel actually. How many reels? 1 reel. But end of the time ఎంత అవుతుందో తెలుసా? 100 reels అవుతాయి. తినడం కూడా మర్చిపోతాం. Why can't the same dedication over the subject actually? YouTube చూసేంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద కూడా ఉంటే your career will be settled. Did I speak anything wrong? No, right? Online team, what about you? Did I waste your time? Daniel, why this kind of some motivation actually required, Sarji? If not me, who will? నేను తప్పంగా మీకు ఎవరు చెప్తారు యాక్చువల్? డైలీ we are traveling. We started our journey almost some 2 to 3 months actually. Right? So please focus on your career, sir. We done today's session. Please prepare very well and first to focus on subjects.